pops it up. Pablo roams to right. And that'll do it for Denorfia as we go to the seventh inning stretch. Padres 2, Braves 2. And in special recognition of the military, USAA now presents the singing of God Bless America as performed by...
Would you sneeze? Would you sneeze?
God Bless America, performed by Atlanta opera tenor Timothy Miller.
While storm clouds gather far across the sea, let us swear allegiance to a land that is free. Let us all be grateful.